Is Facebook limiting your monetization potential? Here's how to remove those restrictions. Are you limited from ads, stars, or all monetization? Let me know in the comments below. First, check page quality. Delete any post marked false information immediately. Increase engagement rate. Reply to every comment within 1 hour for 1 week. Post 100% original videos. No watermarks or repurposed content for 14 days. Go live daily for just 3 minutes. Live videos reset monetization reviews fastest. Still limited? Contact Facebook support through Creator Studio. Be polite but persistent. Are the restrictions lifted? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.